Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about rectangular coordinate system and plotting of points. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now, let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about rectangular coordinate system and plotting of points. Now, first, let's take a look at the Cartesian plane. It is formed by intersecting two real number lines at right angles. So we have the first horizontal line and the vertical line. So this is the vertical line and this one is the horizontal line. We will name this horizontal line as X and the vertical line, yung patayong linya, as Y. Cartesian plane, also called the x and y plane, because it is a combination of the line y and x, and or tinatawag din siyang rectangular coordinate system. Now, let's take a closer look. The rectangular coordinate system. So, ito yung rectangular coordinate system. Okay? So, we have the line x and the line y. The quadrant 1, we have the quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they are counterclockwise. We have also unordered pairs in the rectangular coordinate system. We have the x and y ordered pairs. Yung x, ang tawag sa kanya ay first coordinate or x coordinate o yung iba ang tawag ay abscissa. For the y, we have the second coordinate, y coordinate o tinatawag din siyang ordinate. For the quadrant 1, we have positive and positive sign. Unahin natin ng x, so we have positive here, positive sign here, and then we have positive sign for the y. Okay? So we have positive and positive. So we have two signs here. For the quadrant 2, we have negative and positive because the sign here are negative and the upper part is positive. Tandaan natin na ang x-axis ay nahati sa dalawang sign. So, sa gitna ay 0. So, we have positive numbers going to the right and then going to the left is negative. Going upward for the y axis is positive and going downward is negative. That's why in quadrant 3, both are negative. And in quadrant 4, the axis is positive, the x-axis, and the y-axis is negative. Bakit lagi nauna si x? Kasi ito yung nakalagay sa ordered pair. Ang x muna bago ang y. Cartesian plane, each point in the x and y plane is associated with an ordered pairs xy, which is also called a coordinates. So, lahat ng mga ordered pairs ay tinatawag nating coordinates. So, there is an infinite amount of points in the Cartesian plane. So, hindi natin mabilang kung gaano karaming points mayroon sa Cartesian plane. Now, let's look at graphing. Paano ba natin i-graph si 2 and 1? Remember, 2 is our x coordinate and 1 is our y coordinate. Ang tanong lang is paano natin siya i-graph. So this is a graphing board or screen. So we have these coordinates or ordered pair. We have the x, which is equal to 2, and y, which is equal to 1. First, determine kung saan siyang quadrant. Since both are positive, positive, so we have positive 2 and positive 1, so therefore, ang graph natin ay nasa quadrant number 1. So, nasa quadrant 1 siya kasi pareho silang positive. For the x, ang una natin gagawin, for the x coordinate, Ito siya, ito yung number 2. Maglalagay lang tayo ng scattered line going upward. For the y-coordinate, this is number 2. So, maglalagay, number 1, I'm sorry. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng scattered line going to the right. So, makikita natin na mayroon silang intersection. So, yun yung intersection ng points of the two lines. So, itong intersection na to, ang tawag natin sa kanya ay coordinates 2, 1. Okay? Ulitin ko, bakit tayo nakafocus lang sa quadrant 1? Dahil parehong positive ang ating ordered pairs. Bakit pataas si number 2? Dahil tayo ay nasa quadrant 1. Kasi pag ginawa ko siya dito, mapupunta tayo sa quadrant 4. So, dapat hindi tayo umaalis sa quadrant 1. So, for the y-coordinate, ito yung linya. So, dito din tayo papunta. Kasi nasa quadrant 1 tayo. Para mas maintindihan pa natin siya, let's have another example. How about 4 and negative 2? So, again, we have these ordered pairs. So, we have the x-coordinate, which is 4, and the y-coordinate, which is negative 2. Alright. So, tignan muna natin kung anong quadrant yan. Tama. Quadrant number 4. So, nasa number 4 niyan tayo. Dahil ang given natin ay positive for the x and negative for the y. So, first, we have 4. So, hanapin natin si 4. Ayan. We need to draw now a scattered line going downward. And then, nasa naman si negative 2. Ayan. So, we need to make a scattered line going to the left, to the right. So, we will have the intersection of the line. And that is 4 and negative 2. Okay? Next. How about negative 3 and 5? Again, for this portion, negative 3 and 5 are ordered pairs. Negative 3 and positive 5 are in quadrant number 2. Kasi negative yung ating given na x at positive naman yung given na y. So, for the negative 3, here it is for the x, and then going upward. Bakit dyan? Kasi nga, nasa quadrant 2 tayo. Next, for the 5, ito siya, and then going to the right. And then, plot the point. That intersection is what we call negative 3 and 5 coordinates, or the intersection of the two lines for the point negative 3 and 5. Next, 0 and 4. Since 0 and 4 ay ang titignan lang natin dyan, since ang 0 ay nasa gitna, ang titignan natin is kung nasaan si 4. Si 4 ay nasa y. At dalawa lang ang 4 na makikita natin dito sa y. Meron tayong positive 4 and negative 4. So, saan nabibilang si 4? Sa positive or sa negative? Tama. Positive 4. So, mag-i-start tayo sa 0. And then, magpa-plot tayo ng point doon. So, that is the point of intersection. Actually, kapag ganyan, kahit wala na ring scattered line, pwedeng diretso na siya sa 4. Yung ating point. Kasi understood na yun ay 0 and 4. Or 0, 4 coordinates. Okay? Next, negative 5 and 0. For this portion, nauna ang negative 5 and 0. But still 0, wala siya sa gitna. Saan nakafocus si negative 5? I mean, saan coordinate? Sa x. Nasa x coordinate siya. So, meron tayong dalawang 5. May positive 5 and negative 5. So, nasaan siya? Sa negative or positive? Sa negative. So, ibig sabihin, nandito yung point niya. So, sa 0, yan. Hanggang 5, maglalagay tayo ng scattered line. And maglalagay tayo ng point. Again, gaya ng sabi ko, kahit wala ng scattered line, okay lang kasi understood na yun ay negative 5 and 0. So that's all about our lesson for rectangular coordinate system and plotting of points. With that, thank you very much for listening.